እንግዲህ የክሊንክ ፋይናንስ ኤርድሮፕ ላይ ተሳተፉ የነበራችሁ there is a new update ወደ አፑን አፕዴት እንዳደረጋችሁት እዚህ ውስጥ ገባላችሁ earn more የሚለው ውስጥ ገባላችሁ then scroll down ታረጋላችሁ then hit submit your base wallet የምትለዋን አንዴ ትነኳታላችሁ ከዛ submit base wallet የሚለው ላይ you can go to any of your web3 wallet whether trust wallet OKX wallet and other to bring the base address ማለት ነው ከዛ ETH base የምትለዋን Ethereum base network አድሬሳችሁን ኮፒ ትላላችሁ receiving አድሬሳችሁን then go to your Clink app paste it then click submit button base wallet address is successfully submitted here is a simple way to connect your Clink account with your base wallet or any of web3 wallet whether it is trust wallet OKX wallet Binance wallet MetaMask any of web3 wallets here is a method to connect this web3